XL883, I saw you naked on the street, laid out in criminal graffiti. So why are you now posing so differently to me, in disguise of a billion Dwayne Reed? Police taped and caged, perennial scaffolding, buildings like prison bars made to look sexy. $1 million lives, products of prosperity, or just a concrete mess ripping at the seams. Hell, I'm still a table flipper, I'm throwing punches in the dark. So keep your stuck-up hoes a coming to this cupcake mahal. You can make me count your blocks up, you can change the way I walk up, change the speed of how I talk, but you can't always get me on. Hell, I've got a famous fever, I love to shout loud in the dark. So keep your stuck-up hoes a coming, 'cause I know what you really are. Shove me out to places far,